second, one moment. Here for you, somebody.
Did they make appointment?
I don't know.
Can you check if you do or the receptionist?
Okay. Sorry.
What
Do
the
you have
fuck?
appointment?
Oh, what?
Do you have appointment?
Oh, no, I don't have an appointment, but it's...
We do walk-ins. Do they got cash up?
Well, you know, I'm just trying to drop in. You know, I'm just trying to get rid of...
Oh, we do drop-ins. Come on. Oh, hello. How are you? Get down, fucking fat man. Go. This is. Die, bitch. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing great. I was wondering, you know...
Hold on, my friend. I must sit to concentrate. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing good. I'm blessed, you know.
Okay.
But I want to know my fortune. I want to know... Oh, shit.
I want to know why you're making a fire in my place, man.
No, I didn't do that, man.
Okay.
You just...
I did that. It's okay.
Yeah,
We still have good vibes
I don't know
here.
what kind of witchcraft you got going on, but you know. But you know
Witchcraft?
No, I just want my fortune told. Somebody told me, you know, when
Hush! Let me think. You want to get your future told.
Yes.
$10 to start the session. 5 more. For deposit, you get the 5 back when you leave.
Wait.
You don't ask
$10
questions.
plus $5?
I need 15.
You want? Okay. All right.
I have a good future for you, my friend.
Shit.
I'm your oracle.
You got Snapchat? You got Cash App? Can I Cash App you?
do.
Okay. I'm gonna Cash App you too. Okay.
Well, I need you to cash at me first. Go ahead and pull out your phone. Because I don't do that bullshit. I'm telling some real futures.
Wait, hold on.
Ding.
Wait. What's your Cash App?
Canary the comedian. Send that down.
Oh shit. Okay, give me 1 second.
Okay. So I see. Oh, your future is so bright. Your name is something with a J. I'm getting that you're doing a podcast or something. Oh, I sell earrings too.
Sell earrings?
$2.99.
Oh,
Yes, we
I
talk
don't
about that later.
I don't like them.
Your girlfriend, you get her nice pretty jeans. You like girl? You like girl, right?
Mm-hmm.
You like boy?
No.
You look like boy, they like girl.
I like girl.
Okay, you like girl.
So
So
here you go.
girl
I'm
or
about
boy?
to send it to you right now.
Thank you. Did you receive that receptionist? Did you
Yes.
receive the cash? Okay. Here we go. First part of your future is you are in the entertainment building. I'm getting the sense that you're going to work with a comedian.
Okay. And you know,
That's it.
Wait. I just cashed out you $60.
No.
So you gonna give me $60 worth of my damn future? The hell wrong with you? And you got this fake ass shit. What is this? Goddamn, what is that? What is that? Who is this? You left a couple of dollars store. The fuck? No. Lady, you is scamming me. I'm calling the goddamn police.
I will beat your ass.
You beat my ass. You beat my ass.
Fuck if your future ain't right. I lied. Bitch, get out. You can't get no refund.
Bitch.
Out of here. Security.
How can I get? Oh man.
Get your ass out of here. Come on. Get the fuck out of here. Bye. No refund. Told you your future. You're fucking up.